Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own foam facial cleanser. You will need the following items: distilled water, Dr. Bronner's hemp rose pure castile soap, 1 wash foaming bottle from a previous foaming cleanser, clary sage, frankincense, lavender, and lemongrass essential oils. To start off with, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the Dr. Bronner's hemp rose soap, and I'm going to pour it into my container. To start off with, I'm going to be taking lavender. This is great to treat acne and also skin disorders like eczema. It's really good to relieve stress and anxiety, and it helps relieve pain and itchiness. I'm going to add 8 drops of lavender into this bottle. For the next oil, I'm going to take frankincense, which helps tone, reduce appearances of scars and acne, and it helps heal wounds. It also helps to fight against bacteria and blemishes as well. We are going to put 8 drops of this into the mixture. So the next essential oil we are going to take is lemongrass. This is a great cleanser oil for all skin types. It can sterilize your pores, straighten your skin tissue, and can be used as a toner. We are going to add 8 drops into the mixture. The last oil we're going to use is clary sage. This is rich in antioxidants. It helps strengthen and tone the skin. Furthermore, it balances and regulates the productions of natural oils in the skin, which reduces both oily and dry skin. This oil will also help you feel and look younger. We are going to add 8 drops of clary sage as well. Our last step is to add distilled water. Try not to fill it up all the way because you need to make room for your lid. And then go ahead and mix it up. So as you can see, it's really easy to make your own foam facial cleanser. I think that's why I like it, because it's simple and all natural. I feel that's the best thing we can do for our skin. You can use this twice a day if you like. So if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.